Hello there, I am Vivekanand Kuswa from PATH CS19C. My Coventry ID is 10269176 and my Softwarica ID is 190352. In this video, I'll explain you about my final project made using Django framework of Python for my course module developing a modern web. My project title is Entrance Preparation and I will start with the short introduction of my project. It is an online learning marketplace with the primary purpose of providing a platform for students and instructors to prepare for entrance exams while also making profits from their expertise. Now let me show you my website. This project is built using Python. I will start the server and manage.py run server. The server is up and running. It has four sections: header, banner, course showcase, and footer. In the navigation section, there is hyperlink for course section. In this page, the user can search, filters their course category, which I will discuss later. Now I will register a user. Ajax is implemented for validating the registration. Now I will type the username. I'll type the email. Now I'll type the password. Now it will send an OTP to the email address. Here to refreshing it, I will have the OTP. This will be not verified if the wrong OTP is sent. So to verify, we have to provide a valid OTP. So it will redirect us to the login page. I will log in with the same credential. Now it has redirected me to a student dashboard because I was a student while registering. This is a student dashboard which I will come later after purchasing the courses. Now I'll go to the home section and here I can add to cart from here, and if this was not in my cart, so it is successful. If I click again, then it will not be added in the cart. Now I'll click on this. From here also we can add to the cart and we can also buy from here. I'll go to back, and then in the course, this is a single course view sections. Here it will be a YouTube preview video link, and in this sections it will be a course topic information with the description provided, and here will be instructor name. Now I will go to the cart section. User can increase and decrease the quantity and the price will change dynamically. The Ajax is implemented, and user can also remove the cart, and after going back to the course sections they can also add this item to the cart. And after going in the cart, now user can check out. I have integrated PayPal for now, so I will start with the PayPal payment. After confirming the payment, user will be redirected to the order page. All orders placed by students will be shown here, and if they click on the my learning section, then all the orders placed will be they can learn from here. After clicking this, this is dynamic, like all the courses of the sections will be here, and they can navigate from this hyperlink. Also they can go back to the preview page. A student can become an instructor on this site, so I will request to become instructor. I will submit this form. For the approval of this instructor, I'll have to create a super user. So I will go to the Python. I will write Python -.py create super user admin1 admin1. I will log in with the credential. This is admin dashboard having all the functionalities such as adding user, adding instructor, creating course, approving, and others. Like in these sections, instructor can suspend this course, and it will show in the pending sections. And if they approve from here, it will show in the course sections as approved status. So for the pending instructor, I will approve the instructor, and then now I will go to the home page, and again if I will click on the dashboard, then I will be redirected to the instructor dashboard. From here we can review if our course is pending, and also we can create our course. After submitting the form, I will redirect to the new page, that is course filter. In these sections we have forms, and if we can fill this course sections, and after filling all the informations, we can enter the topic description, and after filling all the informations and clicking on the submit for review, this course will be sent to the admin dashboard. The current course will not be available in this home sections until approved by the admin. Once admin is approved this course in the pending course section, it will show up in the home section, and also it will show in this instructor all courses section. From here, instructor can edit their course, and also they can delete the course. The dashboard is dynamic too, that it will show the courses. Admin have full power to delete the courses and delete the users too. If we delete this developing a modern web, then it will not be shown in the section. Also they can suspend the course, like if we suspend the Adobe Photoshop, that will not be visible on the home section. Only developing a modern web is showing because the one course was deleted and another is suspended. And the admin dashboard is also dynamic. It will show all the current status of the website. Thank you.